Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with our Smartwatch Storm Plus, the iTel O15 smartwatch. And on this video, we are going to pair it, or we are going to download a watch face for the Storm Plus. We are going to explore the section for watch faces. We will download a sample as well as a custom watch face for the iTel O15 smartwatch. So if you are interested to see the list of watch faces for the Storm Plus, watch this video. And of course, support our channel by liking this video, sharing it, or subscribing to our YouTube channel. Alright, so let's start and explore the world of watch faces for the Storm Plus. Okay, so it's already preloaded here, as you can see, with watch faces. Long press to change. Let's count how many watch faces do we have here. Okay, let's start with this one. 1, 2, 3. Can we use this one? 4, 5, at least 5 watch faces. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have at least 5 watch faces, preloaded watch faces for our Storm Plus. Settings for the screen display are, so we have, aside from the watch face, we have the brightness option, screen time, and raise to wake option. Okay, going back to the watch face, so let's have a download, an example download for the watch faces, and at the same time let's explore the available watch faces for the smartwatch. It is using the Fit Cloud application, as you can see here, Fit Cloud Pro. So let's open the app, tap on the device here menu, tap on the dial library. So we have an option here, we have the dial center and my dial. So my dial, I guess this is the downloaded watch faces. Dial center is where you can download available watch faces for the wearable. So let's wait for it to load. We have here a custom watch face, and we have here some example watch faces. So let's wait for it to load, and we'll download an additional watch faces for our iTel O15 smartwatch. So these are the available watch faces for our iTel O15 smartwatch. So it is a combination of analog and digital watch faces. Okay, check it out. Okay, I like this one. So it is there's no categories here, but I think it is a comprehensive list, a good list of watch faces. So there's a lot of choices for our iTel O15 smartwatch. There's a lot of options for you if you like to personalize your smartwatch. So there's a lot of watch faces. Some are common or old style. Okay, we do have here some theme watch faces, such as Christmas watch faces. We have some cartoons, love. We do have here analog watch faces. Seems like we do have a dynamic here full of information. Okay, let's explore more. So there's a lot of options for your O15. Okay, so that's it. We'll download this one, the last one. Okay, I like the design of this. So let's tap on it. then push. It's now downloading, so let's wait for it to finish downloading. Hopefully our smartwatch here will switch. Yes, it has switched to download mode. So it is now pushing the watch face to our smartwatch. And we're done. Okay, so let's see if we still have at least 5 or more watch faces. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, only 5. I guess you can only add one watch face at a time. Let's have another one and let's see if our theory is correct. Let's have this one. Push. So very lightweight, 113 only. It's now 0%. It's now pushing. Let's wait for it to finish downloading. And we have a new watch face. Again, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. So meaning you can only add one watch face at a time. So every time that you download, the previous downloaded watch faces is getting overwritten. Okay, it is deleted and replaced by the new downloaded watch face. Here's the My Dial section. Okay, next, let's have the custom watch face for our wearable. Okay, so we have here, I think this one is the custom watch face. Create dial. We have the position here of the time. Let's put it on top. You can pick the color or the style. Let's pick this one. Then the background, you can choose your own background. You can take a photo or select it from your photo gallery. Okay, in our case, we are going to pick it or choose from our gallery. Background, select. So let's download images, pictures. Okay, download. Let's see. Okay, so we'll pick this one. I like this photo just once. Okay, we'll crop it. We'll crop the photos. Then done. So this is the preview of our watch face. So create dial. So it's a bit heavy, 412 KB. I don't know if this will push through. Let's see. So let's wait for it to push the custom watch face on our smartwatch. Hopefully there will be no issues when it comes to adding your own custom watch face. As you can see here, it's now pushing the custom watch face to our iTel O15 smartwatch, the Storm Plus smartwatch. So it is now pushing. It's almost complete, as you can see here. Hopefully we'll have a successful download of a custom watch face. And success. So we have now our own custom watch face. Okay, so that's it for the tutorial or the demo for the Storm Plus smartwatch watch faces. Again, let's have a preview of the list of watch faces for our Storm Plus, iTel Storm Plus smartwatch. So here are the list of available watch faces. Okay, so it has a comprehensive or a good number of available watch faces. It's all free. So it seems like there's more than 50 watch faces here for your iTel O15 smartwatch. So So there's a lot of options from analog to digital watch faces. Okay, I like this one. So there's a lot of options. So that's it for the video demo. Again, if you have any questions regarding this wearable, drop a comment below. If you like our video demo, help us to make more videos about watch or about smartwatches by liking, sharing, and subscribing to our YouTube channel. Bye!